Hello guys, I am going to do a video to show you the very basics of how to trace a picture on Google Drawing. I've decided to do the video so that you could replay it, pause, try things again, go back, repeat information. So I'm going to try to do this in one take, so here we go. I have a blank drawing with nothing on it yet, so what I want to do is I want to try to get a picture that I can trace. We're going to start by tracing cartoons because they already are boxy and they have lots of color changes and shapes, so we're going to start with cartoons. So if you go open a new tab, you can go to artwithmissholmes.weebly.com, go to grade levels, drag to 6th grade, hit that right there, scroll down and go Google Draw right here. This is going to open a page where I have already collected some cartoons that you can use. So if you decide that you want to use one of these, you absolutely can. If you have your own ideas, please let me know, but I need to approve the picture and make sure it's going to be easy enough before we get started, but also that it's going to have enough color change that it's challenging enough. I'm going to pick this picture right here, and this is what I'm going to use for my example. So you'll notice that if I'm over here, it's trying to scroll that way. If I'm over here, it's trying to scroll that way. You need to go right in the middle and right click, and then you need to do copy image. I'm going to open my drawing back up, right click, paste, and there it is, my Tokidoki. So I'm going to start by tracing some basic shapes on my Tokidoki with the polyline tool. So I'm going to go over here to line, drop down, polyline, and I'm going to start with, we'll start with this star right here. Now I'm too far away to get a good trace on this, so I'm going to go here to my zoom, and I'm going to select that and just click right on top of where I want to zoom in. I can zoom in more. If I want to zoom out, I'm going to right click. Right click zooms out, regular click zooms in. I think that's close enough. I'm going to go back to my polyline tool and I'm going to click on the top. You can see it's following my mouse. I'm not holding, I clicked and let go. And I'm going to click here, here, here. You get the point. Trace that shape. Okay. Try to close the shape. There we go. It changed color, which means it closed the shape. What I want to do now is try to color match to exactly what was there. So what I need to do is change tools. I'm going to go here to the select tool, move this next to the shape I'm trying to color match. This bucket right here is a paint bucket. That is your fill color. That means the inside of your shape. I'm going to select that. Let's see if this is a close enough shape color. You know what, I'm going to say that's close enough. If you wanted to, you could try to get closer with a custom color. So this means I'm going to move, okay, you can't move that. So I'm going to maybe see if I can make it a little more pinkish. I think I went the wrong way, it looks more purplish, but you know what, that's okay. So then the other difference here between my shapes is that this one has a black outline where this one doesn't. So I need to change my border color. Border color is right here. Right now it's black. I'm actually just going to get rid of it and make it transparent. And there we go. If I click off of my shape, you'll see that now I have a pink star with no border, a pink star with no border. I need to go back to my select tool, and I'm going to put that right back on top and try to hide that shape. So now I've replaced part of this drawing with my own version. You can see it's not exactly covering, but it's definitely very, very close. I'm going to do one more shape with you so I can show you one more trick. I'm going to zoom out. So, oops, I hit the wrong button. I'm still on the select tool. I need to be on the magnify tool. So I'm going to select the magnify tool and then right click. There we go. I'm going to scroll down. Let's do her horn. So, okay, I think I can do this. So I'm going to change back to the polyline tool. I'm going to zoom in actually. You know what? I'm going to zoom in on that horn. Okay, polyline tool, select here, select here. You'll notice I'm trying to trace a curved shape. The way I do this is I'm going to just keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing, and it's pretty close to a curve. It's not a perfect curve, but it's very close to a curve. Okay, something else you can do is if it's not curved enough, I can try, I'm going to hit my select tool again, and I'm going to double click on this shape. It made anchor points. That means everywhere that I clicked, I received one of these anchor points. I can take these and now move them so that I can make this shape work a little bit better for me. So I'm going to move these a little further out and see if I can maybe match this a little bit nicer. I'm going to move this one too. There we go. So now I've dragged my anchor points where I have a little bit closer of a shape. That looks good to me. I'm going to hit the select tool again, because now what I'm going to do is try to move it so I can change the color. The inside of this horn is a pale pink color. Let's try, ooh, that's almost perfect. And then the border color. So we do have a thick black outline here, but look how thin my black outline is here. What we have to do here is change the border weight. I'm going to go here to border weight. I'm going to, let's try 8. That looks pretty good to me. I'm going to move it back on top, and there we go. I've replaced that shape with my own shape. I'm going to click off. I'm going to hit the magnifier, and if I want to go back to 100%, I can just do 100%. I'm going to scroll here. One way to check your work is to select your whole picture. So that means click off. Okay, so now nothing is selected. I want to select my picture. I've now selected Tokidoki. I'm going to hit backspace to get rid of it. I've checked my work. Now I need to put that back on. So I'm going to hit the back button, which you can't see, but I'm hitting the back button. And there we go. Click off. Another way you can check your work is to select, take your picture and just move it. And then move it back. It's a little harder to line it up after I've moved the whole picture. Okay, so I want you guys to try some of these tools. There are lots and lots and lots more things that you can do with this, and lots more things I'm going to show you, but try starting with just those steps for now.